Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you on a better base website. You can claim your free coin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on the website, and this is the website. You can put your faucetpay wallet address in here. If not wallet address, your email address, and just click login. Okay, solve this capture is so easy. Just click solve this capture. It's tell you the line, just click the line available in this picture. Okay, and just click verify, and just click verify capture in here, and this website pay you your satoshi instantly to your faucet pay. So easy, just reload the page, wait few seconds. This pay you least, but it's great. Pay you 9 satoshi of dogecoin instantly to your faucet pay, and this website link available in the description. And if you want to make much more amount of the bitcoin, just comment me if you need to I share with you the bitcoin faucet website. Just comment me in the comment box, and I will be make 10 video. Next by next is bitcoin faucet websites. Okay, bye bye for now.